Welcome to Bill's Bridge class, class 65, second hand play as declarer, Sunday, June 9th, 2013. You're taught early on in the bridge game that second hand always plays low. Well, there are exceptions to that, and you need to know those exceptions, and that's what this class is about. Let's start with some of the obvious situations. When dummy leads an honor, consider covering. Don't always cover, but consider covering. Why do you cover? Rule 1. Cover an honor with an honor so as to promote lower cards, usually 9s, 10s, maybe jacks, for either yourself or partner. But from that follows Rule 2. If you can't promote your own lower honors and partner has insufficient length to effect promotion for his lower honors, don't cover. Notice that length, that is distribution of the suit, is critical in the decision. So think about the distribution of the suit before you begin to play. Continuing on that very thought, what is partner's probable length? Mostly from the bidding, either declarer or partner. Declarer has shown length in the suit. By bidding, covering an honor is not good unless it promotes tricks in your own hand, because partner is liable to be short in the suit. Rule 3. When dummy has a number of equal honors, cover the last equal. A corollary to the last rule is if dummy has a doubleton honor, cover the first trick to block the suit. This is an example. If you cover the jack with the queen, the suit is blocked. However, if dummy had 3 to the jack, you wouldn't cover with the queen until the second lead of the suit. And every exception has a sub-exception. Here's an example. Corollary 2 to Rule 3. With 2 equal honors, if you hold a doubleton honor, cover the first trick. For example, dummy leads the jack. You only have 2 to the king. Play the king. Why? You'll see on the next screen. Suppose this is the real situation. North leads the jack. You play the king. South will play the ace, but now partner's 9 will take the 4th trick of the suit. If you play low to the first trick, North could then lead a low diamond, pick up your king, and your partner would never get his 9/4 of the trick. Here's another rule. Rule 4. When declarer has a length of 4 or longer, which you know from the bidding most likely, and dummy has a doubleton, you have 4 or more cards headed by the king, don't cover. Why? Well, let's see. Dummy leads the queen from queen doubleton, and you have 4. Play the 3. That's what declarer has. He'll finesse the first round, and he can even finesse the second round, but your king will take round 3. You will overcome. Rule 5. When the jack is led from dummy and you hold ace, queen, x, it is usually right to play the ace. Here's the situation. Dummy has jack doubleton. You have ace, queen, 5th. Declarer has king, 10, 5. It's usually right for you to play the ace. However, if you don't have the queen, it is usually best to play the ace at no trump, but low in a suit contract. Here's the situation. Dummy leads the jack. If you don't have the 10, it's usually best to duck. But if you have the 10 or the 9 in a no-trump contract, play the ace. But if you don't, duck. Look at the next screen. Example. North leads the jack. Play low. Hope declarer misguesses. He may be trying to get you to play a queen or an ace out and eliminate his problem. His problem is he has to guess. Hope he guesses wrong. Don't help him out. We've only touched the surface of second-hand play. Tomorrow, in part 2, we're going to get into more details as to signals that are involved in second-hand play. And yes, there are signals. See you tomorrow.